morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel again. Today is Wednesday at ito na yung pinakalas namin sa Edinburgh. So today, we are going to the Highlands po. So itong trip na to guys is 12 hours po siya. At ang meeting place po namin ay 16 minutes walk from the
city of Edinburgh has two towns. The old town, the original part of the old town is the Royal Mile. We're looking downward now. Up at the castle. So after he'd been found guilty, he was taken away. The execution.
Tapos yun yung bus namin guys. Look at the baha. Grabe. Right there. Are you gonna get something? Yeah, go to the coffee shop first. May bayad yung ketchup din natin. Hinahanap na si Michael. Andito lang siya.
Straight through on the right, through the trees. Stop na kami guys kasi flat yung bus namin.
4 time na tayo mag-stop kasi sa mga flat.
Susunod ba sa mga?
Lalo niya ako.
Fort William. Now, this took its name after a fort that was built here, named after that king, King William, the man who ordered the massacre of the MacDonalds. The only thing remaining of the fort now is part of the outer wall. Now, I do think there's a little bit irony somewhere.
Guys, this is rain or shine. Every time na humihinto kami sa view na gusto namin puntahan, bigla na lang siya umuulan. So, we're gonna go to the monument guys dito sa Glenfinnan. So, that's the magical journey.
Tayo.
Saan tayo? You're
Tumakad
here.
ka pa doon. Yan, balik ka doon.
Okay. So, pwede tayong tumawid dyan?
Oo.
Okay. Oh my god, it's really nice here. Grabe. Kung hindi na talaga umulan, perfect na sana yung view. As in. Pero kahit na umulan guys, huwag natin palampasin tong pagkakataon na to.
Sayang yung 150 mo.
Pwede naman 150 yun.
Sayang yung 150.
100 lang. Grabe. Malapit na akong malubot, guys. And look at Michael. Kain is life.
Purot later.
Palagi talaga kaming nauuna dito na bumalik. We have to stay for an hour here, pero ano na lang siya, daddy, mga 20 minutes na alis na naman kami, guys, and we're gonna go to the next stop na naman. So, oh my god, it's so worth it. What do you think, babe? Rain or shine na, diba?
Rain or shine is no way, I don't mind.
Where previously there was land, they built the canal system. Now if you look down there, that part of the canal would lead eventually into 𝒂𝒊𝒐. Remember, just before lunch I said 𝒂𝒊𝒐 was on the left, just before Fort William. So if you sailed down that stretch, you would eventually get to 𝒂𝒊𝒐.
Guys, good evening. Kakarating lang po namin ni 𝒂𝒊𝒐 dito sa hotel. Kapoy. Ayaw mo na?
Uwi na tayo.
So, pagod plus gutom, guys. Dapat kakain kami dun sa pagbaba namin. Kaso nga lang sa kakahanap namin ng makainan, nadiretso namin yung way pa uwi ng hotel. Kaya ayun, naisipan na lang namin, guys, na mag-takeaway na lang ng food. So, ako, gusto ko sana ng steak. Pero hindi dapat akong order kundi si Michael kasi siya yung mahilig sa steak. Makikikain lang sana ako. Kaso sabi niya gusto niyang kumain ng maraming chicken. Lilipad na to bukas. Magiging manok na. Kaya ang ending, guys, ayun, nag-order na lang kami sa Uber ng Jollibee. Yung
Jubilee.
Ilang piraso yun?
12. No, 6 lang.
6 pieces na chicken, tapos meron pang spaghetti, tapos peach mango pie, then gravy. All in one na, guys. Ay, nako. I think it's good for 3 people. Kasi there's 2 mango. Kasi, no, it's not mango. Ano yun? Mango peach pie ba yun?
Mango pie.
Mango pie. Wala talaga lutang no? Doon kami sumuko, guys, sa sana area yun, yung may dam. Yung ayaw niya nang bumaba.
Ang lamig.
Ang sakit sa tenga din, guys. Then, grabe, ang dami pa namin na dinaanan na hindi na kami bumaba. Wala na wala nang energy si 𝒂𝒊𝒐. Hey, man! What's up?
What up?
Gutom na, besh! Dumating din. I'm so hungry, guys. Mamaya na ako mag-edit or tomorrow na pag nakauwi na po kami sa bahay. Kasi I want to rest na. Oh my God.
Let's get a drink.
Oh, ang laki ng chicken nila. I'm gonna have the chicken breast, guys. Ba't hindi siya, crispy? Yeah.
Parang unti ng spaghetti nila, Maliluto ng gravy nila. Masyadong sabaw. Yung gravy. Hindi siya, malapit.
Kain tayo, guys. Pasensya na haka. Kasi, gutom na talaga kami as in. Yung gutom namin kanina pa.
Yung planong steak na din,
Kakahanap na restaurant ang ining Jollibee lang pala.
Paano kasi pag meron kami nakita ang restaurant, sabi ni Michael, ayoko dyan. Kaya ang ending ito, sa chicken lang pala.